Good morning, dear students. Dear students, today I am going to discuss with you agricultural market system. In the previous lecture, I have discussed with you mainly the rural credit topic. My today's topic is agricultural market system. The topic of the lesson is rural development, and there are various key issues relating to rural development, and there are various areas which must be targeted for their improvement. And the one area for which rural development depends on the banking system, banking facilities, rural credit. And the another problem in our rural area is defective agricultural marketing system. If we improve the agricultural marketing system in our rural areas, rural development is possible. Now, before describing the defective agricultural marketing system in our rural area, let us start. What is agricultural marketing? What are the defects in agricultural marketing in India and how it can be identified? Now, let us start from the meaning of agricultural market system. Basically, what is marketing? Marketing is a very wide concept. Marketing word is taken from the word market. Market is a mechanism through which sale and purchase of goods become possible. Market is a place which facilitates in the transactions. Sometimes marketing and market are taken same meaning. Basically, market and marketing are two different concepts. Marketing not only involves selling of goods. Sometimes in common sense, marketing means purchase of goods, sale of goods. No. Marketing is a very wide concept. Marketing is a process that involves the assembling, storage, processing, transportation, packaging, grading and distribution of different commodities. Basically, marketing is a very wide concept. It involves all the activities that are linked from production, even before identifying the needs of the customer, to ultimate satisfaction, even service after sale of the product. It means under marketing we include all those activities which start from the identification of the needs of the buyers, and this marketing process ends with services provided by the sellers to their ultimate customers. Now our topic is related to agricultural marketing system. Now, as far as the agricultural marketing is a concern, it is also a long process, wide process, very large process which involves assembling, storage, processing, transportation, marketing, packaging, grading, distribution and finance related all the agricultural commodities across the country. Now, what are the defects in agricultural marketing system in India? How it takes place? Let us start from today's lecture. Have you ever asked yourself how food grains, vegetables and fruits that we consume daily come from different parts of the country? The mechanism through which these goods reach different places depends on the market channels. Agricultural marketing is a process that involves assembling, storage, processing, transportation, packaging, grading and distribution of different agricultural commodities across the country. Prior to independence, farmers, while selling their produce to traders, suffered from faulty weighing and manipulation of accounts. Farmers who did not have required information on prices prevailing in the market were often forced to sell at low prices. They also did not have proper storage facilities to keep back their produce for selling later at better prices. Do you know that even today more than 10% of goods produced in the farms are wasted due to lack of storage? Therefore, state intervention became necessary to regulate activities of private traders. Basically, before the independence and at the time of independence and even after the independence. There is various defects in our agriculture marketing system. At the time of independence, our Indian farmers does not have even storage facilities, does not have proper knowledge about the market price prevailing, and there were not regulated market at that time. There were not government controlled markets at that time that purchase of the farmers made possible. Due to lack of storage facilities, even today 10% of goods produced by the farmers are wasted due to lack of storage facilities. Now in these all cases, need for the state intervention arises. Now, how state plays an important role in agricultural marketing system? Let's discuss 4 such measures that were initiated to improve the marketing aspects. First step was regulation of market to create orderly and transparent marketing conditions. By and large, this policy benefited farmers as well as consumers. However, there is still a need to develop 27,000 rural periodic markets as regulated marketplaces to realize full potential of the rural markets. The first step that government has taken to improve rural agricultural marketing system is regulated marketing. Government has opened its own markets, on purchasing centers where government can, or through the government, goods from the farmers, produce of the farmers purchased. And government is also regulating the marketing conditions, all marketing situations. Now, what can other steps to be taken to improve the agricultural marketing system? Second component is provision of physical infrastructure like facilities like roads, railways, warehouse, godowns, cold storage and processing units. Now, the another step to improve agriculture marketing system is to provide physical infrastructure like roads, railways, warehousing, godowns, cold storage and processing units, by which farmers can bring their produce to the market safely, and if their produce is not purchased at that time, they can store it. Proper warehouse facility should be provided. The current infrastructure facilities are quite inadequate to meet the growing demand and need to be improved. Cooperative marketing. In realizing fair prices for the farmers' produce, farmers' product is the third aspect of government initiative. The success of milk cooperative in transforming the social and economic landscape of Gujarat and some other parts of the country is testimony to role of the cooperative. Now, the another defect in the rural agriculture marketing system is farmers does not get full price of their produce. So, government must take necessary steps that the farmer should get full price of their produce, and the efforts taken by the government to provide full price to the farmer for their produce is now successful. Now, if we take the example of Gujarat milk cooperative societies, they are also getting farmers who are supplying milk to the cooperative societies are also now getting full price of their produce. However, cooperative society have received a setback during the recent past due to inadequate coverage of farmer numbers, lack of appropriate link between marketing and processing cooperatives, and inefficient financial management. Cooperative societies are also now not working properly. They have their own problems. It may be due to not proper link between marketing and processing cooperative societies and inefficient financial management. Fourth element is the policy instrument like assurance of minimum support price for agriculture products, maintenance of buffer stock of wheat and rice by Food Corporation of India, distribution of food grains and sugar through public distribution system. Means another step to improve agriculture marketing system in India is the strengthen of public distribution system, timely declare of minimum store price, proper facilities of buffer stock of wheat and rice by the Food Corporation of India should be arranged so that farmers should get full price of their produce and whatever their produce has been stored for a long period of time.